For a different language, click this thing and go over here. Today we are going to see how the corporate greed is crushed by people's need by a beautiful and awesome software called Affinity by Canva. Just for $0. It's like your life free. Because your father and mother are happy to create you, but you are angry because they created you. And with that thought in mind, you can click on this green button, sign in to download, and the next will be through PPTs. So I have taken snapshots of all the memories and phases that you have to go through so that you could enjoy a good life. So here in the Affinity by Canva, after you click this green button, you get welcomed to this button called Continue with Google or any other shady and scrupulous account you have. Out of all the accounts that you have, select the one that has the least amount of Tinder matches and use it to continue in Canva. And Canva will be asking, are you sure? Because you can continue with the Tinder, but you are good to go with the good life. And after this thing, in the next screen, you can go based on your generational wealth for Mac OS or for Windows, based on generational wealth. In the next page, it will be asking you the location of where you actually want to save this software. And there is this box which I am showing with the arrow. You can click on this box and give it a location, and if you don't know anything, just click on install. In the next screen, because you are getting to a wonderful world, it will be asking you, do you want to run this software? Yeah, if life is getting good, I will be running. And in the next page, it will be asking you to log in and sign up on the Affinity account by the Canva. And in the next page, it will be asking you, do you want to continue with this exact mail? Because remember, there's beautiful girls and beautiful boys. Do you want to live it for a good life? You can have a worse life. Remember, think once again. And after you have chosen the peaceful and serene life, it will be asking you, do you want to open the Affinity through the browser, or you will be opening it with your own hands? Then it will be checking for your license. This won't be your driving license or any other liquor or gun license. It means that only you and only you can open the software using the Affinity under the Canva, under the Gmail, under your name. Because if you do something scrupulous, you will be brought to fame, and famous will be made your name. And the next thing you open the Affinity, it will be opening one of the most beautiful and wonderful world for you to go forward. Now only you and only you can change whatever you can with whatever you have. It's your life, by the way.